Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah, very nice. How are you?
Alhamdulillah fine.
Yeah. So today is the last for
Yes.
the interview. Okay, just directly to interview for the last project and later you combine it. So videos become
Yes.
one. Okay, before first I want to know about your self more, yeah, more deep, like your personality also.
Okay, for the first, let me introduce myself. My name is Unes Metalvala, and you all can call me Nais. Uh, I live in Cikarang Baru at Bekasi, and then now me in 14 years old, and then my hobby actually in a sport, but I like to in technology like IT or others. And then before I like IT because my father teach me IT,
Mhm.
and then I think IT is so fun and good for the future. And then from the elementary school, I already like IT in my school, and then yeah, I go to here because that I like IT and I interest very interesting in IT. And then when I elementary school, my father always give me a laptop for searching uh, IT knowledge or technology in a website or in Google. And then when elementary school, uh, I do in one application that is Excel, and from that I like, but I already search in a website in the Google, so many website for interest like design or make a website, and then the others. And then um, my hobbies is doing sport like futsal, basket, and others. That just for a hobby or just play. Yeah, then
Okay, so what IT skill did you have
IT
before
skill.
and after the idea?
Okay, before in IDN, like I said before, my IT skill before just like doing in one application that
Mhm.
for I think now from just for work that is Excel, like
Mhm.
for list something or count or making others. And then when I go to IDN, in here I learning and I get knowledge that like designing and then coding and then make some application, make something that important like robotic, and then I think that for in my future, yeah, and then uh, I like my skill in IDN because that uh, I know when I go to IDN in IT more than uh, IT is more fun than before I know. And then I using that uh for what for uh searching like what
Searching what?
searching apa ya itu namanya lagi searching
Information.
yes.
So, what IT project are you proud, most proud?
Okay, IT project from seventh grade I think.
Yeah, second grade or
Okay,
99?
I think from seventh grade that I make the defender.
Defender.
Yes. Why? Because before I like playing game that like uh shooter the enemy and then war, and then when I go to IDN, I make that uh game for play, and then in semester one there is crossing road.
Hmm.
That game there is in play games, and in elementary school I ever played that. That's fun. And now when when I in IDN I make the game, and when
Hmm.
8th grade uh, I make like microbit
Hmm.
that's using code, and then make some in semester 2 make some smart house that like when we go far, and then from that place we can control our home just with a phone.
Hmm.
And then um, when semester 9 grade this, my first project is codular, that is calculator, because
Calculator.
yeah I like the calculator because yeah from before I always use that application for our uh, daily life, and then now I just make for myself. Yeah.
So, have you ever joined competition like IT competition and get any achievement?
Okay, for the competition, I think I'm not yet follow the any competition, but if like English, I ever get achievement in pustaka eh pus puspernas ya.
Astronaut.
Yes,
What competition?
that's English competition, and I already follow 3 times, and the first time I got a silver medal, and
Hmm.
second I get a gold, and last but I get gold medal again. And then for uh, my best achievement there is in sports actually. Yeah, for the
Yeah.
first my achievement in futsal before I win in
Oh,
Alwafi school that I get third place, and then in Al Azhar that I get a third place too, and then in basketball I had the 5 time get first place, and the first place there is in Regina Cheli that I
hmm.
guess first time I get first place from the 30 years ago, and then the second I get in Anahal school that I get a second time for a first place, and for the third time I get first place there is in Alfitian Islamic school, and then for the fourth time I get the first place I get in IHBS or Imfest, and then the last before in Saturday until 3 days I get first place again in basketball competition in Al Azhar BSD in Cilangsi.
Okay, so have you ever joined a teaching? Yes. yeah, teaching experience, and also what did you learn from it?
Okay, I ever teaching the first teaching I get in Bekasi that I teach in SMPN 29 SMPN 39 Bekasi. That's my first teaching with my friends, and then in that teaching I still like nervous because that first time I teach in other school, and first time I speak
In front of
in
the
front of the other people. And then the second I teach in Tangerang
mm,
in SMPN for Tangerang with my friend, and then in there I get one experience that is I speak in front of all the student in that school.
mm,
Yes, like in morning spirit like that.
mm,
Yes, and then the third time uh, I teach in SD SDT Al Hanif in Bekasi. That's first time I teach for elementary school, and then the third time I go to SMPN for Tangerang again with same team like before, and then the last I go to SMA Al Ma'ruf in Cilacap,
mm.
especially in Kroya. And then for what the question before, sir?
What did you learn?
Yeah, uh, I learn like public speaking.
Mm,
I always upgrade my public speaking, and I know how to speak up in for with others people or others people, and then uh, I learn uh, how to teach other people with our skill,
mm.
what I get in IDN.
And also manage the class.
Yes, manage the class, and then I get many friend or many what
Experience.
many experience and many connection uh, like the friend or the teachers and the others.
Okay, so I think this is the last question. Do you have a message or motivation to give to other students?
Okay, my motivation is if you like something or that can make you make yourself spirit or make yourself, yeah, what is there berhasil
What?
berhasil,
Success?
yeah, make you success, just do it. And if you feel like I think I cannot do this, but uh, you just do it what you can and try to hard work, because if you never try you never know. And then don't don't say I cannot do it, but just do it first what you can, and then always learn about uh, your future, or you want like you like MTK, you must learn always learn about that. That's that's what's pelajaran?
What?
Forgot pelajaran.
Lesson.
Yes, that's lesson. Okay.
Okay, so thank you, Boris, for interview today. It's such a interesting experience and story from your story. So, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Enggak.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, today I want to do a presentation about a country that Indonesia. Okay, for the first, Indonesia is an incredible country in Southeast Asia, and then Indonesia is a beautiful landscape and rich history. And then the capital is Jakarta. It's a bustling metropolis and reflects the countries. And then Indonesia, with a population of over 270 million people in the Indonesia. And then the official language is Indonesia, and the currency is Indonesian rupiah. Okay, next. Geography of Indonesia. Indonesia is made up of over 17 islands, making it the biggest archipelago in the world. And then the country crossed the equator, offering a mix of tropical rainforest, active volcanoes, and beautiful beaches. And then some of the most well-known islands include Java, Sumatra, Borneo, and then Malaysia, Bali. Bali, Indonesia is also home to some of the world's most unique and diverse wildlife. Okay. And then the next, the economy of Indonesia. Indonesia, a key economy in Southeast Asia. And then Indonesia is export resource like palm oil, and then coal and rubber. And then manufacturing includes like textiles, and then automotive products, and then electronic for domestic and international markets. And then the service sector, especially tourism and finance, is rapidly growing. And then infrastructure development and digital economy project and to boost economic growth and living standard nationwide. And then the famous landmark. Indonesia is home to many remarkable and then landmark that attract visitors from around the world. The ancient temple of Borobudur in Central Java is the biggest Buddhist temple in the world. And then the island of Bali is renowned for its beautiful beaches, like vibrant art scene and iconic rice terraces, and then Komodo National Park, and then home to the famous Komodo dragons, and then offers breathtaking scenery and unique wildlife. And then the last there is Mount Bromo, an active volcano in East Java, offers stunning views and is a popular spot for sunrise hikes. And then Indonesian culture. Indonesian culture is rich and diverse with over 300 ethnic groups and 700 language. And then traditional dance like Balinese, Legong, and Japanese wayang kulit, and along with dishes like nasi goreng, and then rendang, and the others. And then showcase the cultural diversity, and then colorful festival like Nyepi, and then Toraja funeral rites highlight, and then Indonesia's deep culture heritage. And then wildlife in Indonesia. The rainforest in Sumatra and Borneo are home to endangered species such as the orangutan, the Sumatra tiger, and rhino. Life on the island of Komodo, like Richa and Flores. Coral reefs in places like Raja Ampat, and then Raja Ampat support thousands of species of fish, and then sea turtle and other marine life, and then natural parks and protect areas. Some of the country work to protect this unique species and habitat. And then sport in Indonesia. Sport in Indonesia. Sport in Indonesia, there is so many like badminton, football, and then the others are significant in Indonesia. And then the country excels in badminton internationally and has a strong football culture, and then pencak silat, and then a traditional martial art is popular locally and global recognized. And then the volleyball and basketball are also favored, particularly by the youth. Okay. There are fun fact about Indonesia. Indonesia is home to the world largest Muslim in the world, all the large Muslim population. That's Indonesia. But it's also known for its religions diversity, with significant numbers of Christians, and then Hindu, and then Buddhist, and then the country national motto like Bhinneka Tunggal Ika means unity in diversity. And then reflecting its rich ritual mosaic. Indonesia is also one of the most volcanic countries in the world, with more than 130 active volcanoes. And then the traditional Indonesian puppet show now as wayang is world famous. Okay, I think maybe that's all for me for the introduction Indonesia. Okay, that's I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you. So,
Dadah.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, okay guys, today I wanted to do show my portfolio or the best project in 7th grade, 8th grade, and 9th grade, and from the semester 1 until semester 2. Okay, for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Unas Miftahul Falah, and you all can call me Unas. I'm from Adian Boarding School Jonggol, and I'm from England, especially in e-class. And then I live in Bekasi, Cikarang Baru, and now I'm 14 years old. Okay, like I say before, I will show you the best project in first semester when 7th grade, and the second semester when 7th grade, and then the first and second semester when 8th grade, and the first and second semester when 10th grade. Okay, for the best project in 7th grade, in here I choose the defender because in this game, this the most fun from other game because this game like defending our base from the enemy, And in this game there is three level: easy, normal, and hard. Okay, in here I will show you the game. Okay, this for the defender game, and this for the code. I make this game with one platform. You can use with apps or website that is Scratch. Okay, like I said before, in this game there is three level: the easy one, and medium, and hard. And then the play, like I said before, just defending our base from the enemy until you reach the boss. Okay, and this is the best project from the semester 1 when 7th grade. And the next that is and then next there is this not project but this task from the school that is teaching, and I do this teaching. This is the first I teach in SMP Negeri 39 Bekasi with my team that is Aki, Farhan, and Nuril. And in the first teaching, I teach Scratch, and in here I teach about catching fruit game. Okay, next go to the best project when 8th grade. Okay, for the first in here I chose UI UX design, and in here I make some application or some UI UX. Islamic, the name is Islamic Path, and in Islamic Path there is 15 screen and 6 interactive screen. Okay, in here there's the visual when the screen already get prototype, and this for the thumbnail or for the poster from this application. Okay, I will show you the application. This the as you can see in here there is 15 screen in this application, from the opening and login screen, and then for the dashboard, and for the list surah, and there is Qiblat and profile, and then there is the Al-Quran, and then there is zikir or doa like after salat or others. And in here you can search the near mosque from your location. From your location. Like in here, you search where mosque, near mosque from your location. And then in semester 2, I chose short movie. This short movie there is one problem that our class make short movie, one class. Okay, and the next, the last, the best project in 9th grade. Okay, my best project in 9th grade semester 1. This the last project in Kodular, and this the first project in Kodular. This card name, I make this for the first project in Kodular, and the screen just like this. There's the name, the text, there's the image, there's the my name, and there is the date, and I-board. And then there is the number and the others. And then the last in here there is the last project in Codular. That is calculator apps. Okay, I will show you the calculator apps. Okay, this is my calculator apps, and it will be introduced this application. And in here there is the screen when you make the application, and in here there is all component when you already use it, and this for the search your component what you need. And then this for the image what you use. And here there is so many, and this asset I get for my teacher, or you can search by yourself. Then okay, and then the last this is best project. Same this when semester 1. That is study plan presentation. In this presentation, I make from English project, and then in this presentation, we must make some presentation about study plan when already graduate, like in university or when you already work. Okay, I think just that's all from me for my portfolio or the best project in 7th grade until 9th grade when I'm in IDN. Okay, I think that's all from me. Sorry some mistake. As I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Cái bộ đó chứ mà